Truck is coming this way. Now it's safe. No. Plan change. Another car. Now it's safe. Keeping well to the left in my lane. First exit gone. Mirror signal. Keeping my position. Watching my right mirror. Signal cancel. Next roundabout. I'm going right. So lane change. Mirror signal. Watch again.
Yards,
Safe
right
to change.
And take the third exit, A4040, steps third lane. Then turn right.
No
Go
pedestrian.
right on the roundabout and take the
Mirrors
third
check.
exit. Then
Signal.
turn right.
Slowing down. No one coming. Keeping slow. It's busy. Keeping my lane. You can see this lane can exit, so no need to change lane to the left. Keeping slow. Signal cancel. I did not move to the left lane because I know I'm turning right from traffic light. Otherwise, I should be in the left lane, which is normal driving lane. Mirrors check. Looking for space after the crossing. Yes, I have space. Keeping slightly to the right. Keeping eyes on the light. Is still green. Light is changed. Checking other side traffic. Still waiting. Safe to carry on. Now right lane go ahead, so I will keep right
You will
here.
arrive at your destination at 2:23 p.m.
Mirrors check. Covering brake, ignoring light now. When you see light is green for a while, once you are at a good distance where you think if light change you can safely stop, you can cover brake. And then once you are more close and you feel it's not safe anymore to brake, then ignore the lights and carry on. Now is good time to signal.
Go right on the roundabout and take
Covering
the second
brake.
exit.
Approaching slow. Single lane, so we'll stay in the middle. No one is approaching from right. Nice and easy. Left mirror, left signal. Walk car on the exits. Slowing down, staying close to the center. Safe to overtake. Signal cancel. Van is approaching. Be ready to slow down here. This space is wide. Now safe to carry on. Another park van, oncoming car, ready to stop. Safe, right mirror check. Good clearance. Car is approaching again. Stopping here. He's waiting, so I can go. Safe to overtake. Now pulling up on the left behind this car for parallel parking. So now I will do parallel parking. This road is little bit busy, so it's good opportunity to show you how you can deal with other road user when you're doing parallel parking. Now preparing the car. Now I can see a van coming from behind. I will not move because I'm gonna block the road. Now front is clear. Back again, there is a car approaching. I will keep waiting. There is a learner as well. It's quite busy. Another car approaching. Then another one. Then another one. Nothing to worry. We have to find a safe gap. If we are waiting because of busy road condition, that's not a fault. Now after these two cars, it's safe. Blind spot check. Quick move, keeping good distance from this car, and stop and reverse gear. Half left. Quick all-round observation. Keep going back. Now car is approaching. He don't have space to carry on. He have to stop. So I will keep moving, keep watching my reference point. Now I can do full lock, all-round observation, keep going back. Now he's trying to go. I will stop, let them pass. There's a car behind as well. He's moving. Now it's safe. I can straight my car before other car come close. That's it. Now my car is straight. I'm properly parked. My distance is good. I can finish my maneuver here. Now, moving off. Safe, full lock because there is a car in front of me, so I can keep good clearance. Then mirrors check and increase speed.
At the end of the road, turn left, Buckland's End Lane.
Park cars, safe to overtake. Mirrors check. Turning left,
Turn
mirror
left.
signal. Taking care of this car first. Now positioning. Quick look, view is blocked. Now it's clear, I can see, safe. Carry on. Now I will do pull up on the right side. Mirror signal, no one is approaching. Safe to pull up on the right. Reasonably close and secure. So when you pull up on the right, you make sure you don't force any oncoming traffic to slow down for you, or once you are on the right side, you should not be moving if someone approach. You can stop, let them go, and then you can adjust your position if you need to. Another thing, when you pull up on the right side, do not go too close to the curb. Keep at least 1 foot away from the curb. Now car is approaching, bus is approaching from behind, bus is stopping, so quick all-round check, start rolling, keeping eyes on the bus, position, ahead, mirrors, I can move as slow as I want. Bus is moving, so I will stop now for the bus. One car is already done. I need to reverse one more car length after this red car. Quick check, move. Before that oncoming car come close, I can finish my maneuver. He's getting close, stop. Now a little bit more. Car is approaching. Now I have almost done 2 car length space, so I can finish my maneuver here. If you feel you have already traveled 2 car length space, you can stop. If examiner is not happy, he can help you and he can ask you to go a little bit more back. Now, moving off. So moving off from the right side, so need to check left blind spot after this car. Safe both sides, final check and keep going. I have priority, so they should stop.
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, Kilmore Lane.
See pop, no, it's not popped car. Going right from the roundabout. Mirror signal right.
Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
single lane, so we can stay in middle, facing little bit left. Car is approaching. Another van. Red car is going left. Other car is stopping now. Now it's safe. I can join the queue. This is 1. This is 2. Left mirror, signal change. There is a queue ahead, so can't increase speed. Pedestrian crossing. No one is waiting. Up hills, little bit more gas. Downhill, slightly ease off. Queue is moving, so nothing to worry about this public entrance. Speed is good for this hump. Now can increase speed.
After 200 yards, bear left, Crossfield Road, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Kitts Green Road.
So taking
Bear left,
next left.
then go left on the roundabout and take the
Brake
first
cover.
exit.
Slightly brake is enough. I have priority. They are not stopping, so go
After
with
200
care.
yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
Space is narrow, but I can carry on. Again, I have priority. There is enough room to keep going. Slightly left.
Go left on the roundabout
Mirror
and take the first
signal.
exit, Kitts Green Road.
Staying in middle, single lane. He's exiting. Signal again. Mirrors and speed 30. Road is safe. Van is trying to pull out, checking mirrors. No need brake yet. Another van trying to pull out. Now it's safe.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Kitts Green Road.
Now checking right mirror. Slowing down and keeping good clearance from both sides. Someone open the door, slow down, little bit right, then come back.
Cross the roundabout. and
Left
take
side
the
view
second
is
exit,
blocked for
Kitts Green
pedestrian
Road.
crossing, cover brake. Now it's clear, no one is there. Single lane, staying in middle. Safe to enter. Plan to exit. Signal cancel. I can see pop car, but enough space to carry on. Lights are on, so I can move suddenly or open the door. Cars trying to pull out from the left, center mirror checking. He stopped. Now I can increase speed. Another
After
car
200
trying to
yards, turn right,
pull out.
Midway.
Now it's safe. Now turning right, mirror signal. Choosing right lane,
Turn
light
right.
change. Smoothly approaching to the stop line. Now getting ready to move, mirrors check. Very slow movement. Brake cover. See how far I can go. Like somewhere here I think is good. I'm not blocking anyone. Little bit steer right because it's a sharp right. My traffic light is view is blocked. I can't see. When stopping, yes, he stopped. Because my view was blocked, I couldn't see. Going left, first exit, signal left. This is no entry, so I can signal before this side road. Not a problem. I will finish this video here. Hope this video will help you understand how you can drive without making any fault, how you can plan things, how you can react to different hazards. If you enjoyed, give a thumbs up, and if you want to see me again, don't forget to subscribe.